Guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix your Apple ID if it says that it's not active. So, to fix an inactive Apple ID, all you need to do is go to this website over here, the iforgot.apple.com, and then you'll be led to this page. And to fix your inactive Apple account, all you need to do is verify your account information to reset your password. And after you do that, you'll be able to fix your inactive Apple ID. Once again, I'll be repeating the steps. All you need to do is go to this website that says iforgot.apple.com, and from here you can just verify your account information and reset your password. If that's still not working, then you can just go ahead and try to contact Apple. Yet you have these options over here that will help you get in contact with Apple, and after that you can just be able to fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.